The final point on the model-based design aspect of AUD, and probably the most important, is the dissemination of the design and geospatial data throughout the utility organization. The ability to draw and calculate, order material, and create information one time by the designer behind the scenes and then disseminated throughout the organization is key to the success of a graphics design tool. For instance, let's take a look as an administrator at the business rules that make up AUD for both engineering and material. The first example would be the analysis rule for the sizing of a transformer for voltage drop. Simply stepping down through the tree from voltage drop to the equations for a radial voltage drop for a transformer, you see the actual formula that's encompassed within AUD as the demand value divided by the kVA times the voltage drop, etc. Should this not be the specific voltage drop formula for a individual utility, simply coming in here as the administrator allows the modification to this formula to be specific for that individual utility. Similarly, as the administrator, I can come into the material portion of the business rules and identify the individual items associated with a specific installation. In this case, the transformer, those materials that would be required when the installation is a new facility. By simply moving through the if-then statements, I can count up the phase, for instance, identify it as a single-phase transformer, identify the individual components, part numbers, or stock numbers, or individual compatible units that make up the installation. And finally, probably one of the most important parts is behind the scenes after the design, the layout, the engineering, the bill of materials, and the model-based design in 3-dimension is the actual work sketch itself, being created automatically in AutoCAD, ready to be printed out for the crews in the field. And if you'll notice, the individual project information appropriate to this specific design is automatically placed on the sketch in the appropriate place.